Hey there, fellow truck enthusiasts. Are you tired of your truck lacking that extra edge? Well, worry no more because today, I'm going to introduce you to the 5 best truck accessories that will not only enhance your truck's performance, but also provide unmatched protection. Whether you're a seasoned road warrior or just getting started with your truck journey, these accessories are essential for every truck owner out there. So, buckle up as we dive into the world of truck enhancements. Kicking off our list at number 1, Truck Toolbox. When it comes to keeping your tools organized and easily accessible, nothing beats a reliable truck toolbox. Whether you're a contractor, DIY enthusiast, or simply need to haul some gear, a truck toolbox is a must-have accessory. Key features. Our top pick features heavy-duty construction, weather-resistant seals, and secure locking mechanisms to keep your tools safe and dry in any condition. With customizable compartments and trays, it offers ample storage space for all your equipment. Benefits and usage. Say goodbye to cluttered truck beds and hello to organized storage solutions. From power tools to small parts, everything has its place in the truck toolbox, saving you time and frustration on the job site or during weekend projects. Usability. Easy installation and seamless integration with your truck bed make this accessory a breeze to use. Plus, its ergonomic design ensures convenient access to your tools whenever you need them. Durability. Built to withstand the rigors of daily use and harsh weather conditions, our top-rated truck toolbox is a long-term investment in your truck's functionality and protection. In the second spot, we have truck bed liners. Protecting your truck bed from scratches, dents, and corrosion is essential for maintaining its resale value and appearance. That's where truck bed liners come in handy, offering superior protection against wear and tear. Key features. Our recommended truck bed liner is crafted from high-quality materials such as polyethylene or rubber, providing a rugged yet flexible shield against impact and abrasion. Its non-skid surface prevents cargo from shifting during transport, ensuring everything stays securely in place. Benefits and usage. Whether you're hauling equipment for work or embarking on a weekend adventure, a truck bed liner offers peace of mind knowing your truck bed is protected from damage. It also makes cleanup a breeze, as you can easily hose off dirt, mud, or spills without worrying about stains or rust. Usability. Designed to fit your truck's specific make and model, installing a bed liner is quick and hassle-free. Plus, its lightweight construction won't add unnecessary bulk to your truck, allowing you to maximize your hauling capacity without sacrificing durability. Durability. With UV resistance and corrosion protection, our top-rated truck bed liner is built to withstand years of heavy use without cracking or fading, ensuring your truck looks and performs its best for years to come. Coming in at number 3 is the truck interior protection. While we often focus on protecting the exterior of our trucks, it's equally important to safeguard the interior from spills, stains, and everyday wear. That's where truck interior protection accessories come into play, keeping your cabin clean and comfortable. Key features. Our favorite interior protection accessory features custom-fit floor mats and seat covers designed to withstand the toughest spills and stains. Made from durable materials such as rubber or neoprene, they provide a barrier against dirt, mud, and moisture, keeping your interior looking like new. Benefits and usage. Whether you're hauling groceries, pets, or passengers, interior protection accessories offer peace of mind knowing your truck's upholstery is shielded from damage. They're also easy to clean, with most options being machine washable or easily wiped down with a damp cloth. Usability. Installing floor mats and seat covers is a simple and straightforward process, requiring no special tools or expertise. Plus, their non-slip backing ensures they stay securely in place, even during off-road adventures or sudden stops. Durability. Engineered to withstand the demands of daily use, our top-rated interior protection accessories are resistant to fading, tearing, and premature wear, ensuring your truck's interior remains pristine for years to come. Taking our 4th spot is truck cargo slides. Tired of climbing into your truck bed to retrieve items stored at the back? Say goodbye to back strain and wasted time with truck cargo slides, the ultimate solution for easy access to your gear. Key features. Our recommended cargo slide features a heavy-duty construction and smooth gliding mechanism, allowing you to effortlessly extend and retract your cargo for quick loading and unloading. With weight capacities ranging from 500 to 2,000 pounds, it can handle even the heaviest loads with ease. Benefits and usage. Whether you're a tradesperson needing quick access to tools or an outdoor enthusiast loading up camping gear, a cargo slide streamlines the process, saving you time and effort. It also reduces the risk of injury by eliminating the need to climb in and out of the truck bed, making it ideal for individuals with mobility issues or physical limitations. Usability. Installing a cargo slide is a straightforward process that typically requires basic hand tools and can be completed in under an hour. Once installed, its intuitive design allows for smooth operation with minimal effort, making it a convenient addition to any truck. Durability. Built to withstand the rigors of heavy use and harsh weather conditions, our top-rated cargo slide is engineered for longevity and reliability, ensuring years of trouble-free performance wherever your adventures take you. And finally, at number 5, we have truck racks. Need to transport oversized or awkwardly shaped cargo? Look no further than truck racks, versatile accessories that provide additional storage space and hauling capabilities for your truck. Key features. Our top pick features a rugged yet lightweight aluminum construction, providing strength and durability without adding unnecessary weight to your truck. With customizable configurations and adjustable mounting options, it offers unparalleled versatility to suit your specific needs. Benefits and usage. Whether you're hauling ladders for work or kayaks for a weekend getaway, a truck rack expands your truck's cargo capacity, allowing you to transport bulky items with ease. It also frees up valuable space in your truck bed for smaller items or additional passengers, making it a practical solution for both work and play. Usability. Installing a truck rack is a straightforward process that typically requires basic hand tools and can be completed in a matter of hours. Once installed, its user-friendly design allows for quick and easy loading and unloading of cargo, with adjustable tie-down points to secure items in place during transport. Durability. Engineered to withstand the elements and heavy use, our top-rated truck rack is built to last, with corrosion-resistant finishes and reinforced mounting points ensuring years of reliable performance, no matter where the road takes you. And there you have it, folks, the 5 best truck accessories to elevate your truck's performance and protection. Whether you're a weekend warrior or rely on your truck for work, investing in these essential accessories will enhance your driving experience and ensure your truck stands the test of time. So, what are you waiting for? Upgrade your truck today and hit the road with confidence. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy trails!